Turnitin Setting Assignments. From inside your class or class section, click Add Assignment. Your first assignment in a class or section will be a paper assignment, but once you've created one, you'll then see these other options. So for peer mark, revision, and reflection. For now, we're just going to look at paper assignment. And here you'll see the very basic settings to create an assignment. You need to have a title. And if you're unsure in any of these boxes, there is a question mark you can highlight over for more information. Points value is optional. By default, it will check for similarity, but you can allow for other file types if you wish. Start date is when the students can submit from. The due date is when the students need to submit by. And the post date is when they will receive your feedback from, so that students don't get their feedback before other students. We'll then have a quick look at the optional settings, which you can browse in more detail in your own time. Include special instructions. Because you can't attach a file within Turnitin when you set an assignment, you may wish to direct them to where they'll find their marking schema as such on Drive. You can see I've also allowed my submissions to be allowed after the due date. That means that anyone is allowed an extension, they'll be just marked as late, but they'll still be able to submit something. You can then check the other details regarding similarity reports, on light grading, rubrics, etc. And then whether or not you want to save these settings. Once you've set an assignment, it appears on your list in your class. You'll then potentially be able to see that assignment within the gradebook, and then also the date in which you set it for on the calendar.